And welcome back. The buoy battle played out in an appeals court today. The U.S. Department of Justice sued Texas to remove the buoys along the U.S.-Mexico border. Joining us right now is our very own Ryan Chandler. Ryan, thank you for being with us. Break all of this down for us.
Well, Jen, this is just the latest chapter in the long legal battle that Texas has been in against the federal government over whether they have the right to put these buoys in the water. It's in front of an appeals court today, the Fifth Circuit, which is a three-judge panel, and it makes up some of the most conservative, one of the most conservative appeals courts in the country, covering Texas, Louisiana, and Mississippi. This is after a lower court already said, Texas, you got to take these out. This is the federal government's jurisdiction to regulate the Rio Grande. It's also Mexico's territory, and you simply don't have the right to construct anything in a river like this. Texas said that our right to protect our borders supersedes that, and we'll take this all the way to the Supreme Court if we have to. We'll see what the appeals court decides today. Okay, and we've definitely been covering this back and forth. Can you just tell us how all of this started? Give us some context here to how we got to this point. Yeah, so if you look at these buoys, these are right outside of Eagle Pass, which has seen some of the busiest migrant encounters in the country. Huge surges of people coming across, many of them seeking asylum. And Texas put this in the water under Operation Lone Star to repel and divert migrants coming across the Rio Grande. The federal government said that is federal water, international waters really, and you can't obstruct it like this. Texas is making the argument, invoking what they call the invasions clause. It's a part of the U.S. Constitution which says if a state is facing an imminent threat, then they can take extraordinary military action to defend themselves. And Governor Abbott is arguing that this surge of migrants qualifies as an invasion. The Biden administration says, no, this is not an armed militia. This is not a state invading your borders. These are people, many of them who are fleeing violence themselves and have a legal right to seek asylum. That does not allow you to put up your own barriers. That's the core of the legal argument playing out here. Texas has already lost in a lower court, but it will come down to whether this appeals court warrants that invasions argument to be worth putting these buoys in the water. Okay, and that's what I was going to say. What happens next? And do we have kind of a timeline of how all of this will play out? We haven't heard from the appeals court yet. We're awaiting their decision to see if they sign with Texas or the feds. If they do agree with the lower court and say, Texas, yeah, you have to take these out of the water, the governor has already said he's prepared to take this fight all the way to the top, and it could end up in the Supreme Court if it gets there. Okay, Ryan Chandler, we know that you will keep us on top of everything. Thanks so much for joining us. Thank you.